What if everything you've been told about attraction is wrong? Most advice out there is just scratching the surface. People say, be confident, be yourself, or be nice. But if that really worked, why do so many still struggle? Today, I'm revealing 10 secrets about attraction that even relationship experts don't talk about. These are the real psychological triggers that make someone irresistible. Once you understand them, you'll never look at attraction the same way again. Maybe you've tried everything, being kind, being mysterious, playing it cool, but you still end up ignored, taken for granted, or stuck chasing people who don't value you. It's frustrating, right? But what if the problem isn't you? What if you're just missing the hidden rules that control attraction? The truth is, attraction isn't about looks, money, or cheesy pickup lines. It's about how you make people feel. And most importantly, it's about understanding the little things, subtle behaviors, body language, and mindset shifts that flip the script in your favor. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why some people have others drawn to them effortlessly, and how you can do the same. If you're tired of feeling invisible or chasing people who don't care, this is your wake-up call. Because attraction isn't luck, it's science. And today, you're going to learn how to use it to your advantage. Attraction isn't just about looks, charm, or saying the right words. It runs much deeper than that. Beneath the surface, it's controlled by primal instincts, ego, and subconscious survival mechanisms. Things most people never think about. People aren't always attracted to what's good for them. Sometimes they're drawn to what challenges them, excites them, or even frustrates them just enough to keep them coming back. The truth is, attraction isn't always logical. That's why the nice guy who does everything right gets ignored, while the one who keeps people on their toes gets all the attention. It's why someone can obsess over a person who barely notices them while rejecting someone who treats them well. It's uncomfortable, but it's reality. Attraction thrives on tension, uncertainty, and emotional highs and lows. Most people assume attraction is about finding someone who checks all the boxes, but that's not how the brain works. It craves excitement, unpredictability, and even a little bit of challenge. These secrets might feel strange at first, maybe even unfair, but once you understand them, you'll see why they work. Sign number 1, the unpredictability paradox. People crave consistency in character, but unpredictability in behavior. Stability builds trust. Surprises keep them hooked. Most people think attraction is about always being present, always saying the right thing, and being as predictable as possible. But that's boring. The human brain loves patterns, but it also craves novelty. If you're too stable, you become dull. If you're too chaotic, you become unreliable. The balance? Be someone they can trust, but keep them on their toes. A partner who is always loyal and dependable but occasionally plans spontaneous adventures becomes irresistible. Imagine someone who always texts good morning, but one day surprises you with a voice note or an unexpected date night. That unpredictability creates excitement. Keep a core routine, but mix in surprises. If you always text at the same time, send a message at a different hour. If you always meet at the same place, plan a mystery date instead. Sign number 2, vulnerability is a weapon, if used right. Sharing flaws too soon repels people. Sharing them after earning respect deepens connection. Most people think vulnerability means oversharing their deepest struggles early on to build connection. Wrong. That often pushes people away. Instead, attraction builds when someone first sees you as confident, capable, and valuable. Then, when you reveal small imperfections, it makes you more human and relatable. The pratfall effect proves that people find competent individuals more likable when they admit minor flaws. If you seem too perfect, people distrust you. But if you show a tiny flaw, they connect more. Instead of sharing deep traumas early on, confess a quirky flaw. I can't sleep without listening to rain sounds, to make yourself relatable without weakening your presence. Sign number 3, attraction lives in the subconscious. Your scent, voice tone, and micro-expressions matter more than your words. You can say all the right things, but if your tone, scent, or body language is off, attraction won't spark. People are wired to respond to subtle cues more than direct words. Studies show men are more attracted to women with higher-pitched voices during ovulation, and women prefer deeper male voices because they signal dominance. Wear a signature scent that makes you memorable. Speak in a calm, controlled tone. Use open body language, palms visible, shoulders relaxed, and eye contact steady. Sign number 4, the ego bait technique. People don't fall for you. They fall for how you make them feel about themselves. Most people try to impress others by talking about themselves, but the secret is making the other person feel valuable, seen, and interesting. Instead of bragging about your achievements, ask, "You're great at this. What's your secret?" This triggers their self-worth, making them associate feeling good with being around you. Give compliments in the form of curiosity. Ask people about their skills, opinions, or experiences. Make them feel like they're special. Sign number 5, the forbidden fruit effect. The more you signal, "I don't need you," the more they want you. Scarcity creates value. When you seem too eager, people assume they can have you anytime, so they don't chase. But if you subtly signal that others desire you, attraction spikes. Casually mentioning, "My friend set me up on a date, but I'm picky," makes you seem like a prize. Never chase. Instead, signal that you have options, even if you're interested. Stay slightly out of reach, and people will work harder to keep you. Sign number 6, the reverse fantasy mindset. Stop fantasizing about them. Make them fantasize about you. Most people spend time dreaming about their crush, imagining future scenarios. That's the wrong approach. Instead, your goal should be to create curiosity and mystery, so they're the ones wondering about you. Saying, "I'm learning something new. It's a secret for now," sparks curiosity, making them think about you even when you're not around. Be a little mysterious. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep certain aspects of your life private so others feel the urge to find out more. Sign number 7, attraction thrives on earned attention. Giving attention freely kills desire. Make them work for it. People value what they have to earn. If you're always available, always replying instantly, and always seeking validation, attraction fades. But if someone has to earn your time and attention, they value it more. The scarcity principle proves that when something is limited, it becomes more desirable. If they send a lazy text, take your time replying. But if they put in effort, respond warmly. Make them feel they need to earn your focus. Sign number 8, the power of negative charm. Playful teasing creates more sparks than constant praise. Being overly nice doesn't create attraction. It creates friendship. Light teasing, when done playfully, creates a fun tension that makes interactions memorable. Instead of saying, "You have great taste in movies," say, "You're lucky I tolerate your bad taste in movies," with a smirk. This builds fun, flirtatious energy. Tease lightly about harmless quirks. If they love a certain food, say, "Wow, I didn't know anyone actually liked that," with a smile. Sign number 9, the anchoring. Secret first impressions. Don't just set the tone. They anchor how people see you forever. The way you introduce yourself or make an entrance will define how people remember you. If your first impression is dull, it's hard to recover. Wear something unique, a bold color, an eye-catching accessory, or even a distinctive scent. Stand tall, walk confidently, and speak with a clear voice. Sign number 10, attraction. Dies in comfort zones. Too much comfort breeds boredom. A little tension keeps attraction alive. People often think relationships should be smooth and effortless. But if things become too comfortable, attraction fades. A bit of tension, challenge, or anticipation keeps things interesting. When two people are together all the time, they take each other for granted. But if one pulls back slightly, spending a day alone or focusing on a personal goal, it reignites attraction. Occasionally break patterns. If you always text first, wait for them to reach out. If you always meet in the same way, switch it up. Keep things dynamic. These secrets aren't manipulation tactics. They're tools to enhance natural attraction. The goal isn't to deceive, but to present the best version of yourself while creating genuine connections. Attraction fades when it's built on lies, but it lasts when it's rooted in authenticity. The key rule? If you have to fake it, they're not the right person for you. Attraction isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about amplifying what makes you unique. Confidence, mystery, and unpredictability work best when they come from a real place. Think of these secrets as ways to refine your social awareness. They help you avoid common mistakes, maintain self-respect, and draw in the right kind of people. But if you find yourself using them to manipulate or force someone's interest, stop. Attraction should be mutual, not one-sided. Use these insights ethically to strengthen real connections, not to play games. Because in the end, the strongest attraction isn't about tricks. It's about being so magnetic they can't help but choose you. Attraction isn't some mystical force. It's science, psychology, and a little strategy. Now that you know these secrets, you're no longer just reacting to attraction. You're shaping it. You have the power to create intrigue, deepen connections, and stand out effortlessly. Here's your challenge. Pick one secret this week and put it to the test. Maybe it's adding a little unpredictability, teasing playfully, or making someone work for your attention. Watch how people respond. You might be surprised at the results. And now, let's talk. Which secret shocked you the most? Which one do you think is the most powerful? Drop a comment below and let's debate. If you want more game-changing insights, hit that subscribe button. Next up, I'll expose the 5 body language tricks that make you unforgettable. Without saying a single word, turn on notifications so you don't miss it.